Did you know that long before Guacolan established their township in Lentor, CDL already established theirs here in Pasir Ris? Today, I'm showing you this enclave of 5 massive condos that landed a supply of over 4,000 units over here. CDL started with Livia, Envy Residence, Palette, D-Nest, and finally Coco Palms. But did you know that although Coco Palms was developed last, their lease started as early as the first one they did in Livia? But if you're one that fancy convenience, we're talking about malls, bus interchange, MRT, expressways, then this is the place you want to be. The upcoming Crossrail line also means that we're seeing a bit more HDB upgraders coming in from Punggol district, which makes Pasir Ris a really good idea to have a look at options over here, especially if you're an HDB upgrader. The thing about bringing buyers here, and I realized what they really like about this place, is that most of these condos have massive land sizes. They give you a sense of space hanging around the condo itself. Full facilities, some even comes with a club concierge. If you fancy being the East without having to pay the premiums, then there's very little places that you can be. Now, 3-bedroom under $1.8 million, you're in for a treat. Today, we are in a 3-bedroom unit in D-Nest. There are many types of 3-bedrooms around here. 936, 947, 969, basically anything under 1,000 square feet is considered a compact 3-bedroom. This unit, however, is one of the most generous in terms of its size at 1,130 square feet that comes with an extra yard and utility. No wonder it is called the 3-bedroom suite. If you have a multi-generation household along with a domestic help, this setup might be just nice for you. From what I know from my friends who grew up around here, you can basically go from kindergarten all the way to tertiary in the same place. And of course, this unit might not be for everyone. For example, if you find storage spaces such as this, bay windows, a bit hard to work with in your ID concepts, otherwise most of these condos are built by the same developer. And while the renovation over here is about 7 to 8 years old, it still looks very well maintained with just a bit of touch-up required in some places. And if all this doesn't faze you, my name is Mama Joo and I welcome you to come and take a look at this house with me. Kiddings, bye!